Sample 2 says find the other 5 trig function values of theta given that theta is an acute angle of the right triangle with sine of theta equal to 2/5. So nothing else, just kind of draw your triangle. Well, sine is what in terms of opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? Opposite over hypotenuse, right? For the so my opposite is going to be 2, my hypotenuse is going to be 5, and can I find my adjacent then? Yeah, so this would be, let me label, so A, B, and C. So I need side B. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I'm going to subtract the 4.
Doesn't matter where you put A, B, and C.
They should be across from their angles. C has to be the hypotenuse. But otherwise, A and B are interchangeable. All right, so we found that side B is the square root of 21. And I can't break that down any. So now we can go find the trig functions. So it just said to find the other 5. I like to go ahead, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit of my OCD, whatever, but I like to have them lined up. So I'll go ahead and write all 6, even though they already gave me one. So sine, remember, is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. Can't have the radical on bottom. So let's rationalize the denominator. So we get 2 square root of 21 over 21. All right, the reciprocal of sine is cosecant, which means it's hypotenuse over opposite. The reciprocal of cosine is secant, which means it's hypotenuse over adjacent. Again, can't have the radical on bottom. And the reciprocal of tangent is cotangent, which means it's adjacent over opposite. And so there are my 6, which include my 5 additional trig functions.